Below the surface of Lake Balaton in Hungary lay the long-lost wreckage of a World War II plane piloted by Hungarian Air Force Corporal Sándor Beregszászi. This plane met its tragic fate on the 2nd of July 1944, when it was shot down during an air battle. In October 2023, it was time to bring the plane wreckage back to the surface. The Military History Institute and Museum of the Hungarian Ministry of Defense launched an initiative to excavate the wreckage from the lakebed. A 40-ton pontoon was placed in the waters of Lake Balaton in order to provide a base from which to operate cranes and support divers. NORBIT supported the project by providing sonar technology during and after the retrieval process. The IWBMS STX was used to carry out a pre-survey, which provided detailed information of the wreckage location and how it was oriented on the lakebed. At the conclusion of each workday, NORBIT provided an updated map of the area in order to supply valuable information for the next day's operation. NORBIT also supported with a WBMS forward-looking sonar as a separate tool for real-time forward-looking data during operation. The operation took a whole month to complete and required the collaboration of 5 units of the Hungarian Defense Forces and the specialists of the HM Military History Institute and Museum. The pieces of the wreckage were cleaned at the temporary control base set up on shore. There, a military historian overlooked the cleaning to ensure the protection of the artifacts. The retrieval process was impacted by weather conditions, which caused delays and difficulties. But the operation was completed at the end of October 2023, with all the salvageable segments of the aircraft recovered. The plane is now in the process of restoration to be a part of a touring exhibition that will be shown in various military and airplane museums all over Hungary.